Enjoy the view of this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle still has fewer than 5,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows. Practical and functional meets stylish and comfortable in the Equinox. Take a test drive today.